Hello everyone, welcome to JN Electric YouTube channel. 2 days ago I uploaded a video with this title: Repair Active Subwoofer Amplifier Car Xplod Slim 10 Part 1. In accordance with the promise I have made a video of the second part. Please press the subscribe like button if you like this video, so that you don't lose any previous information. To shorten the time, let's just continue that part 2 video. I am going to check the impedance or resistance of the coil of the speaker. After I tested it with an ohm meter, it turned out that the impedance or resistance of this speaker was infinite. This indicates that the coil of this speaker has been broken or burnt. Because the cable from main PCB to the external terminal has been damaged, it is a good idea to replace it with a new cable. The cable that is blue is plus, and the cable that is black is ground. The wire that is yellow is ACC on, and this pro cable is from the output of this PCB amplifier to the plus speaker. All of these cables need to be twisted so they don't look scattered. I first inserted a brown cable into the output of this amplifier, and then followed by the black wire, which is -2 speaker. The blue cable is plus B, ground to battery is black, and yellow is ACC on. And I started soldering starting from the wire that was brown, then black speaker, yellow ACC on, black minus wire, finally the blue wire. And I didn't forget to cut off or trim the end of the excess cable pin. It's very sharp. I need to cut it. I also need to unscrew 6 screws on the front PCB of the preamplifier for checking and maintenance. After I observed from this, it does not seem to be so dirty. I need to clean it or apply a little lubricating liquid to the potentiometer or other switch mechanical parts. I also need to clean the inner surface of this active speaker with a brush using the mineralized water, because I believe the mineral water is not conductive electricity. And the next job is to reassembling the preamplifier to its original position on the front panel by installing 6 screws. And there is one hexagonal ball on the front panel. In order for the position of this PCB preamplifier to sit steadily, I need to repeat all the tightness of the ball. The surface of front panel also need to be cleaned with a brush using the mineral water. If I have another time in the future, I will try to upload the video part 3. Thank you for watching. See you next time.